Hey guys, so I'm here with my first reaction video. I have my friend Taylor, who you guys know from the quiz, and my friend Nolan, who you guys don't know yet, but he's really cool.
And amazing.
Yes, and amazing. And we're going to do a reaction to RM's single for his first solo album. His album is called Mono. Get it on iTunes. And the single is called Forever Rain. So without further ado, we're going to watch it in 1, 2, 3. That must be a raindrop. I called it.
Wait. That's, yeah. That's obvious.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm really excited.
Okay, now it's a river? Maybe?
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh?
I think it's a lot of tears from like a family.
Maybe.
Oh, it is. I think it's a tear falling.
Oh, you were right. It's
Oh,
it's a
rain.
pond, and now we got some rain rippling.
Okay.
Maybe rain is symbolism for tears.
Well, it is kind of depression.
It looks like his face is tears too.
Yeah. Oh, that's kind of scary. What is that?
I think it's just showing all the differences between, like, you don't see it, but I feel like everybody's different. It's trying to show.
Yeah.
And maybe you won't know if somebody's actually sad. You can't tell.
True. You're good.
Oh no.
Yeah. Jeez.
Well, he duplicated.
Oh.
Whoa. This is cool.
It's like a clock.
Yeah.
I was gonna say there's a lot of suns and different shadows going on there.
Oh, that sounds good. Like he's
Now I
singing
feel like
it.
we're
Yeah.
like in a
Mhm.
car, and it's like snowing and you're hauling butt right now. The snow just flying by. You.
Yeah.
Oh no.
And
that was
it's
wrong.
like a puddle
Yeah.
from it. And all the people.
It's
So
so
is that supposed to be
pretty.
the sun or the moon?
Good question.
I
It
think
could be
it's the
either.
whole of darkness.
Because it's
that
loud
lives
shadows,
in your heart.
and the moon doesn't really give that much of a shadow.
Yeah. Maybe it's neither.
I think it's the hole that's inside your heart
Ooh,
of emptiness
that's
and
Uh-huh.
sadness.
And it's black, so it's
Yeah,
like a black
the black
heart.
hole in your heart from when
Wow.
you're sad.
Ooh.
Oh. It just sounds so pretty.
Yeah. His voice is amazing.
I feel so relaxed right now.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's
It's
really
definitely
cool.
making me think about my life.
This reminds me
Yeah.
of Stranger Things, the Upside Down.
Oh, it does.
It's a great TV show.
Uh-huh.
I think it's depression. It's like you're trying to show everybody you can't
Yeah.
tell.
Mm-hmm.
He's the only one that's moving, and everybody else is stopped.
Mm-hmm. The raindrops back. What does this mean?
But why is the raindrop like falling apart?
Yeah.
Is it-
Because you're
Oh.
falling apart because you're sad. Maybe. I don't know.
It's transforming.
Into a birdie.
and
And
now
then
it's
it broke.
gone.
Wow, I'm like hypnotized by it.
I know, me
It's a really good music video.
Uh-huh. This must have took forever to make.
It's so
I feel like they
neat.
hand drew everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These aren't like people and then just like took the faces out and edited it. This ain't no editing.
No.
Mhm.
No, that's a road, but what is that made of? Is it made of tears?
I think
Like
so.
tears, like spots?
That looks like glass almost.
Mhm.
I can't tell if it's like going up or down or what.
Yeah.
I think that's the point.
It's the upside down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because the reflection in the puddle.
Whoa. Well, that was cool.
Silver? So that video was really awesome. Didn't you guys think so?
Yeah.
That was insane.
So I'm gonna watch it like a million more times because I had to wait like to the end of the day. It came out earlier today to watch it, and it was so hard to wait. But I'm glad I did wait. And you guys should stream it too. I'll leave the link below for the video. And also, if you like this video, give it a like and also subscribe. And if you have any questions or anything, leave it down in the comments. Thank you. Bye.